Let's make a healthy breakfast in 3 minutes. And trust me, this one keeps you full till lunch. Grab 2 slices of whole wheat toast. Now take a banana, slice it on a diagonal into nice, even, thick pieces. On your cutting board, lay down a piece of plastic wrap. Spread peanut butter. And if you got chunky peanut butter, even better. That extra texture is chef's kiss. Go heavier in the center, lighter on the edges. Lay the banana slices along both sides of the toast. Then stack a few pieces in the middle to build some height. That way, when we cut it, you get this beautiful football-shaped center. Now sprinkle a pinch of ground cinnamon over the bananas. Wrap the whole sandwich tightly with the plastic wrap. I like to slice it vertically, right along that stacked banana line. So you get a clean rectangular cross-section. If you slice it the other way, you'll get that football-shaped cut. Heat a pan on low, no oil. Toast the sandwich gently. Once both sides are slightly golden, you are all set. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.